getting older.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're bringing you tons of packing tips and tricks. Ready? Let's go. Making a physical packing list is kind of essential to make sure you don't leave anything at home that's super important to you. Rolling your clothes will save you space in your luggage and in your boxes. It also will keep your shirts wrinkle-free, and it's just super cute. Totes and boxes can be pretty heavy, but if you get moving bags, it's pretty convenient and they store up really nicely so you can use them again. Moving in is super stressful, so always bring something with wheels so that you can cart it around or be able to stack things on top. This one goes without saying, but drink plenty of water to make sure that you're hydrated throughout the day, because in Louisiana, it's pretty hot. When initially packing, always organize your stuff by room so that whenever you unpack, it's easier to tell by the boxes how everything goes in your room. Here's one of my favorite hacks. If you have clothes on a hanger that's going in a closet, put a trash bag around the hanger and the clothes so that whenever you move into your new spot, all you have to do is put the hangers back on the rack and take the trash bag off. This one kind of goes without saying, but make sure that you label all of your items so that you're not emptying random boxes and you know exactly what's in everything. Also, it helps when making a mental checklist. If you're getting a mattress topper, I highly suggest you sizing up your sheets so that it will fit comfortably around the mattress and your mattress topper. Lastly, it's really hot in Louisiana, so you don't necessarily need your winter clothes for your fall semester. You can always bring them back in January when you come back after winter break. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like it, remember to give it a big thumbs up and follow us on all of our other social medias.